best for customers is when they come to us first, when they're in the design phase, and we either work with the facilities manager and architect, and we can really lay out the project with them, what they're trying to accomplish, what their goals are. We'll put them in contact with Bob George, our sales manager, and he'll walk through the project with them, talk level of protection, talk functionality, how the system's going to work and operate. And so we can really push a budget out to them. They'll have an idea of what the project's going to cost ahead of time. And those jobs go really well for us and the customer because they know what the expectations are. We can lay out the lead times up front. We can talk to them about how the installation process should go, whether or not we install it or they use somebody else, a third party. And they seem to be clear and understanding of the expectations. When they don't go well is when we get into the projects after the fact. And that's, that all the designs work's been done and it's just out to bid at that point. You have a glazier, a contractor that's, they readily agree, yeah, that doesn't make sense, but just bid what the architect has drawn. And then maybe we'll sort it out after the fact, or sometimes they don't even want to deal with it. We'll see jobs that don't have voice ports or they don't have windows, no way to communicate, cash trays that are way too small so you can't pass anything through, doors that don't function. I mean, you name it, we've pretty much seen it. Jobs that are designed that can't even really stand up or support themselves. And so it's tough to kind of address those issues after the fact. So the sooner we can get into a project and get involved and help through that process with just our expertise and knowledge, it's much more beneficial to us and the customer. Makes those jobs go smoother.